Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Teacher Michael and today's video is a hand puppet tutorial for online teachers. So if you're ready, let's get into it. When I'm not making YouTube videos or teaching kids online, I also work as a puppeteer for a company called Mermaid Theatre of Nova Scotia. And today I thought I would share some of my puppet knowledge to help you use your hand puppet to walk, run, jump, climb, and kick. Which would have been the perfect title for a book had I written one when I was 7 years old. How to Walk, Run, Jump, Climb, and Kick by Little Michael. Okay, before we get into any running, walking, jumping, climbing, kicking, any of that stuff, we have to get the puppet into the frame. And this is how I like to do it. It's a very simple move. I pull it up into the frame and then down. I accentuate it with a little bit of a sound effect like this. And the reason that I do that is to make sure that the puppet is grounded. It needs to feel like it's got a little bit of weight to it so that when it starts moving around through the frame, it's a little bit more believable as a character. Once you have your puppet in the frame, it's time to start walking. And that can happen in one of two ways. Here's way number one. Is that even a thing that people say? Way number one? Here's your first option. It's basically an up and down motion with your hand. It looks like this. That can go forwards and backwards towards the camera or from side to side. Turn. I'm gonna use Meg to demonstrate the second style of walking, and it kind of looks like this. So basically with your fingers inside the puppet, hang 10, buddy. You're just gonna go like this, back and forth, back and forth. Of course, if your character can walk, they're gonna wanna run at some point. Yeah. It's basically the same movement, just a little bit faster. All right, Meg is gonna show us how to jump. Are you ready, Meg? Okay. Yeah. Again, these aren't complicated moves, but what I do is take my hand, put it in behind her legs, so that when she jumps, I can extend the legs a little bit to create the illusion that she's actually come off the ground. I pause for a sec, kind of like one of those Roadrunner pauses, and let her fall back to the ground. Next up is climbing. So first things first, you're gonna need something to climb. When you're ready, put your puppet at the bottom of the stick, and just eensy weensy spider goes up the red stick. Something like that. And then the eensy weensy spider can go back down the stick. Here's what it looks like with no puppet on. It's pinky, thumb, pinky, thumb, thumb, pinky, thumb, pinky, thumb, pinky. Not only can you use this movement to teach climb, you can also use it to teach up and whee, down. In order to show you how to do kick, I'm gonna use a prop that featured in my last video, which was part of a ping pong reward system. So if you haven't seen that video, you can find it right up here. Somewhere up in... Okay, I've got my ball, Meg's ready, and kick. Now, having the ball attached to the stick gives you a lot of variety in what you can teach. You can, of course, teach kick just by pulling back, kicking the ball towards the webcam, but this is also a great opportunity to teach throw and catch. Throw, catch. Sometimes I'll pretend like I'm throwing it towards the camera so that I can play catch with the kid. Throw. Now you throw. Catch. Throw. Catch. And there you have it, folks. Those are just a few moves that you can do with your hand puppet to animate these action words. Of course, if you don't already have a hand puppet, you can find a Mike, Meg, and Dino puppet in the VIPKid official online store. Or if you don't want to buy one of the VIPKid ones, you can always go to the thrift store, which is what I did about 2.5 years ago when I first started teaching, and I was able to find myself a Cat in the Hat puppet for only $1. Thank you all so much for watching. Once again, my name is Teacher Michael. If you enjoy my videos, I would love it if you could subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and until the next video, I will see you on the internet. Peace.